Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the top if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour and choose repeat. Then select once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can set up days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable and enable vibrations and click on label. Over here, label your alarm however you want to, choose OK, and finally click on ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies like fireflies, or select all ringtones and tap on apply next to the chosen one. Select OK and go back. But you can also click on choose local ringtone, tap on one of those sources. I would go with file manager, click on the song that you wish to set up, tap on OK at the bottom over here, and then click on apply next to it to set it up. Finally choose OK and go back. Now select allow one more time, go back again, and save your alarm by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. After that, select allow one more time, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, you can always do that by clicking on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!